Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad. This is the Firefighter's Financial Toolbox. I sort of hemmed and hawed about making this video, but I wanted to say that first of all, I'm sort of making this video as a thank you to my viewers. I am still a very small channel, not quite 2,000 subscribers, but I thought I would do a video talking about what I've earned in the past year. I became monetized on September 1st of last year. So it's exactly, or we're a couple days short of 1 year that I've been on YouTube. So I thought I'd look and take a look at my earnings. All right, you guys, so you can see that in the last year, I've got 155,615 views. Thank you, you guys, especially to you that have come back and stayed subscribed. I realize there's a lot of good channels out there, and so not everybody wants to keep with channels. It is hard sometimes to continue making content new. You guys, if you have ideas for content, anything you like, put them in the comments down below. I try to read every single comment. I try to respond to most of them. And I always like getting ideas from you guys. So let's take a look at the revenue here. So first of all, I've made $1,459.90. Now there's a couple of days left in August, but I'll probably only make another $7 or $8. On average, my channel makes about, as you can see, between $2.50 and $4 a day is about the going average. If we take a look at the last year, let's take a look at the last year here. We see that in September, my first month, I made $133, $141, $118. And except for a couple of months back in May, and it looks like I'm not going to quite make the $100 quota. For those of you who don't know that, if you don't make $100, Google AdSense will automatically roll it over to the next month until they pay you. So that if you make less than 100, you won't get a check that month. And back in May, I had to wait until the end of June. But anyway, so let's go back here. Okay, so looking at my top earning videos, you can see here that Schwab Index Funds for Beginners has been my biggest one, and that's been my biggest video overall. I think it's got over 16,000 views. Yeah, let's see. Oh. If we click on that video, you can see that estimated playbacks over 5,400, but it actually has probably had, as I said, I think it's about 16,000 views, which is my biggest one. One thing to note is if we come over to the CPM, you guys, one thing that they talk about very little bit on YouTube is that one video does not get paid the same as the other, and your CPM is cost per mil. So basically, it's the cost that YouTube pays per 1,000 views. Now, you actually, remember, you lose about 45% of that to YouTube because they are making money as well. But for example, you'll see that the Schwab video, which is my biggest, is about $21.84 per 1,000. Where if I would go down to this T. Rowe Price video that I made, it's $35.58. So obviously that one gets a little bit more per views. And it's completely random. I mean, you see they go anywhere from, some of them are single digits even. I'm not seeing any of these, but I know that I've looked at some videos and the CPM was like $8. So obviously that changes how much you make if it's not making as much. And you can see my top videos here. The best Schwab Index Fund for Beginners, the best Fidelity Dividend ETF, T. Rowe Price, the Roth 457 is a better option, and the 3 best REIT ETFs. So different genres for sure, but all in the investing space. And you can see that different ad types break down into different amounts. You guys, so the majority of my revenue on my YouTube channel is in fact from AdSense. Now I do get a few dollars for my referral links for M1 Finance. If you guys are interested right now, down below. I'll make sure I put that as one of my key things. M1 Finance is doing, you sign up with $100, they put in $50 to you. I also get a commission. Now that's for a taxable or a brokerage account. If you want to do a Roth IRA with them, it is a $500 minimum. But again, you put that money in and you'll get $50 from M1 Finance free for using my link. It is a link, so I do get a commission as well. The other links that I have, you guys, are, I have some Amazon links, but I think over the year, I'm not sure, it's probably made me less than $10. So I basically have the 3 books that I like linked, and that's minimal money. I also have a link to Personal Capital. If you sign up with Personal Capital, you can get $20. I also get $20 if you use it. Again, that one I've had one person sign up with. So as you can see, the amount that I get for my referral links is minimal. Now, I don't push them on this channel very often because I enjoy putting out the content. And let's face it, if a year of work and over 350 videos has only made me $1,459, it's not going to fund my retirement. It's something that I enjoy doing. And I thought, you know what, I'm just going to say, since it's been a year, I would go ahead and make the video. Again, thank you to all my subscribers that have hung with me. I've had some of you for a long time, since very early on. I enjoy the questions I get. I enjoy the banter we get sometimes going in comments. And you guys, if you, like I say, if you have anything that you want to see a video from on, whether it's investing, whether it's budgeting, whether it's taxes, retirement, any of that stuff, this is the stuff that I'm dealing with. I'm getting ready to retire in short order in just a couple of years. So some of my videos have turned from more of a direct investing focus towards retirement, because that's the stage of life where I am. I'm getting ready to get my FIRE retirement. I'm going to retire hopefully at 55 years old. And so my content is sort of switching to that. If you guys have questions for me, please put them in the comment. All right, I hope you got something out of this. I know it's different than my normal videos, and I appreciate everything that you guys do. And we'll see you again. Thanks a lot.